How to install your Forbo Allura Puzzle. What do we need? Measuring device, safety gloves, hammer, utility knife hooked blade, ruler and a chalk line. Step 1. Acclimatize. It is essential that the laying area is at a steady temperature of minimum 18°C for 48 hours prior to, during and for 24 hours after installation. The material should be conditioned in the same environment for at least 24 hours prior to the installation. Puzzle is supplied loose on a pallet. Put it in small stacks in the room to acclimatize. Step 2. Check the materials. Check your delivery note for the correct batch and color number and the right quantity. Use material from the same batch and die lot. Step 3. Setting out. Now on to setting out the floor. The correct starting point for setting out a tiled floor is traditionally the center of the area. In some cases, it may be simpler to work lengthwise from one end, using the center line as a guide. Measure the center of the room and snap a chalk line. Step 4. Laying tiles. Allura Puzzle tiles should be installed without the use of a tackifier or any type of adhesive. All tiles should be laid monolithic. Begin laying tiles at the starting point, ensuring that the tile is laid exactly along the layout lines. Allura Puzzle should be installed, securing first the connectors on the corners, then proceed to hammer down the remaining connectors. The connectors should effectively lock the tiles with reasonable force. Now you will fill all gaps in the direction of the wall. Put a tile on top of the already installed tile. Another tile comes on top against the wall. Make sure they are aligned. Leave a small gap of approximately 5 mm between the tile and the wall. Draw a line on the underlaying tile in between the connectors. Be sure to mark the inside of the connector. Now cut the middle tile. Use a utility knife to cut the floor. After one cut, bend the tile in 90 degrees. Then use a hooked blade to cut the tile. The cut tile can be installed in the space between the installed floor and the wall. Step 5. On completion of the installation. The completed installation should be cleared of scrap material and debris. The floor swept or vacuumed.